Hello, Shakil once again. In the previous tutorial, we have created up to that places. So now it's time to have some ideas about the folder structure and our source and app routes and some basic ideas about the folder structure. Okay, and we will not discuss everything right now, is because we will discuss when it is needed and as we go along. So right now I want to create some pages and want to show you how much easy it is. In React 18 we have to create React Router DOM version 6, but no need to create any third-party libraries or anything else. Just create some pages. So in the app directory I'm creating some pages, say register, and this is the convention. You have to create a folder and give it a page.js. Okay, so this is the register page. So RAFC, this is registration page. Okay, and let's see, let's check whether it is working or not. Register, say register. Yeah, it's working. Okay, so this is very easy to create the pages. You just need to come to the source and app directory and create the pages. This is the convention. You have to create a folder by the name of this page and create page.js, and create another folder and its name is login. Okay, so I'm creating the folder, then page.js. Now let's see. This is login page. Okay, let's see whether it is working or not. Yeah, it's working. So this is very easy. You just need to create a folder and give it the name. So why not create some navigation page? So inside the source directory, create a components, and inside component create a nav menu, say, or create a folder. Components, create a folder, nav, and inside nav create nav menu.js. Okay, and for nav menu I have some code already written over here by Tailwind CSS. So it's not our aim to learn Tailwind over here. I have another dedicated, there will be a dedicated course for Tailwind. Keep watching in my channel, you will get it. So I'm taking the course, my ready-made course, but it's very easy. What's the new thing I have just created? It's link. I am creating the link for navigation, and a link is coming from next link. Okay, so I wanna connect this registration page, register. You see register dot register. This is doing this will navigate us to this expected page. Register, login, and like that, and login. And if I keep it blank or nothing, then it will navigate to home page. So as you know, React, this is the prerequisite. If you are wanna get a good graphs in Next.js, you have to have basic understanding of React.js. Then it will be very easy. So it's time to create the nav menu in our layout. Where is layout? This is layout. Okay, so in the layout connect the nav menu. Nav menu. It's not suggesting. Why it is not nav menu.js? Is anything wrong? Nav menu.js. Let's check why it is the nav menu is not defined. Okay, no problem. But my question is why it is not suggesting. Nav menu is not defined. Okay, no problem. Let's check nav menu. Or maybe name is different. Nav menu, as I have copied it from another sources, so it may create problem. Nav menu. Okay, let's try once again. Yeah, it's suggesting. I want that. Okay, it's auto importing. You see, and this is also a new feature in Next.js. They're using alias. You do not need dot dot like file or folder structure like that. No need at all. This is alias, and it will help you to bring connect with the expected file. So I think this time it will work. Yeah, it's working. And you see, we can navigate to the register page. We can navigate to the login page. So you think without reloading, the page is doing everything. Register login, register login. Okay, so it's very easy. Within few minutes, few clicks, we are able to create the navigation. Okay, so regarding layout, don't worry. What is layout? It ships built in with Next.js 14, but I will give you understanding what is layout, how layout is working. So what we have done, we create two pages, a login page and register page. This is the convention. You have to page.js inside the folder and connect it to the layout, and page is root page, and we are creating component nav menu. So I think it's working and it's navigating us. This is home page, this is register page, this is login page, and we have not created the logout functionality. And another thing I want to mention that in the nav menu we have some third-party libraries. No third-party libraries listed. Okay, it's working just fine, and I think there is no console error over here, so it's perfect. It's giving us tremendous result. And I want to show you another thing, and that is in the app you can call the API also here. So to call the API, what you need to do, you need to have create a folder named API. As you are creating the routes, you can create API over here. You know, Next.js is serverless, so you can create in the previously what we in Node.js or Marna stack, what we did, we created by Express. We used to create the APIs, but here this is serverless. Behind the scene, it has server, but it is serverless. So you can create API over here. So API means you. This is the convention. You have to give route.js, and you have to write export async function get request return next response from next server. Okay, it has been imported automatically. Dot JSON. So To show you some examples, I'm taking a time, new date to local string to local string. Okay, we are done. So we are creating a API over here. So API, let's check it. Localhost. What's his name? API. Yeah, it's giving us the time. Right now, time. You see, our system time and this time is same and date is same. So welcome New Year 2024. So it's giving us, so what I have shown you, I have shown how to use, how to make the API calls by using Next.js API routes. This is also a tremendous options, unique options of Next.js. They're using serverless. Previously, we were not able to do that. We had to take the third-party libraries like Express, Node.js, and everything, or Axios. So you can do it quite easily, and how you can create the pages and everything. So now today, it will be a wonderful journey. All this will be a one-stop solution for Next.js related. Every videos will be you're going to get here. So stay tuned, stay connected. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and practice it. So when you are practicing it, if you face any problems, hit the comment box. I will try my level best to answer you questions, or let me know whether it is working as expected or not. So thank you very much. Give me a big thumbs up. See you soon.